Hi and welcome. My name is Lorna. We're going to do 10 minutes of yoga in a seat without a mat, without any skinny leggings or tight tops that make us feel uncomfortable. Let's go, just to have a better day and have a bit of a stretch. So if you like and when you're ready, have a little bit of a jaw waggle, just beginning to wake up, have a bit of a stretch, and I want you to take your legs out, kick your feet a bit, putting your core on. Just letting that go. And if you like and when you're ready, bringing your chin to your chest, arching your spine, pulling on your knees. Inhale, come up, flutter the eyes a bit, have a bit of a squeeze of the jaw, a bit of a jaw wobble going on. Maybe sip a bit of breath. Exhale back, pull on the knees. Inhale up, flick the eyes again, flutter your eyelashes, squeeze the face, sip a bit of breath. If you like, pull back, chin to the chest. Twice more. Inhale. Exhale. And again, inhale. Sip a bit of breath. Exhale. Blow it out through the mouth. And coming back to neutral. Getting right on the edge of your seat, so we're quite active. We're not sitting back like we're on the bus. Tap your heels in the floor. Heels to the floor. And then bend up your toes. So lift the heels to bend that front of the foot. Excellent. If you like and when you're ready, dropping the chin to the chest this time, coming up to one side. Sip a bit of breath at the top there. Exhale down. And to the other side. And we're going to do this 3 times. So down. This is the second time. Inhale up. Sip a bit of breath here and notice what's going on in your neck. Which side of your neck feels tight? Inhale up. Does one side feel tighter than the other? Just being curious about that. And then for the last time, inhale up. Maybe take the gaze a bit further this time. And down, inhale up. It's really good to have the window open a little bit when you're doing this as well. Get a bit of fresh air. And exhale. Brilliant. Now, if you like and when you're ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, look at your toes, look at your fingers. And I want you to shake your hands. Now, this time, squeeze the shoulders tight, tight, tight. And drop. Twice. And drop. And the final time, 3. Everything in yoga is in a 3. 3. And drop it. Brilliant. And if you like and when you're ready, we're going to bring our fingertips to our shoulders and we're going to make some circles with our elbows as if there's a chunky chalk on the end of the elbow. And you experiment, you want to make these circles in one direction, in the other direction, and really just checking out what's going on in the neck, under the armpit. Any tension you've got there is one side different to the other. Remember to breathe here and then letting that go. Brilliant. Now bringing the hands together at the heart and just give the hands a rub. Can you get a bit of warmth in your hands? Maybe give the back of the hands a rub as well, often neglected. Hands together, roll the shoulders, spine is long. So I want you to tap your heels, then notice where you are sitting on your chair. Send your brain into your bottom where you're sitting on the chair. This time pull the core in, pelvic floor in, belly button back to the spine. Like bright colour yellow at the belly button, but pull it back to the spine. Lengthen in the front of the body, lengthen in the spine. Breathe. Exhale through the mouth. This time lengthen the spine as if there's a little balloon. Just you pick the colour of the balloon that's just bobbing up. Lengthen in the back of the spine. And if you like and when you're ready, take the arms out. Inhale, stretch, take the gaze up and back. Slowing the exhalation down. Twice more. Inhale out. Maybe squeeze the shoulders a bit, have a stretch, squeeze the face. And back. And final time, make it as big as you can this time. Inhale. Wide, as if you're staring at the sun in the morning. And exhale, hands together. Right here, right now, let's inhale through the nose or the mouth. You choose, you decide. Inhale. Take the gaze down, exhale through the mouth. Passively. So we'll try that again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause for a beat. Exhale. Final time. Deeply inhale. Exhale. Great. Now, if you like, and when you're ready, I'm going to ask you to take one hand to the opposite knee, the other hand, float it round, get a hold of the chair, and really get on the edge of the seat so the heels are strong. I know where I'm sitting, and I'm going to turn from my abdomen. Okay, so I'm twisting off to the side. Gaze is down and protect the neck. And we're going to just inhale, twist off to the side. Take a few easy breaths here. Stay where you are, but inhale. Lengthen the spine. You might use that back arm. And exhale. Twist. 3 times, remember. Inhale, lengthen. Have a bit of a squeeze in the face. Maybe you yawn. I've got a yawn happening. And exhale. And back, float back to the other side. Just get yourself adjusted. And let's do that again, okay? This time, actually just take the opposite hand and just stretch it out. So we're creating a diagonal stretch at the front of the body in some space. And then bringing that hand down, other hand comes behind to wherever it feels good on the chair. Feel the heels are steady, and let's begin to twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. So it's like you're just turning the belly button like a millimetre by millimetre. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. And slowly release. Slowly release. This time, I'd want you to take your arms out so you're stretching one side to the other side. Then we're going to bring the forearms down onto just before the knees like this. Stay here if that feels okay. If you like, you can take your hands to the floor and just let the head hang. So it's hanging like a heavy mango off a mango tree or an apple, wherever you live, whatever's the best visual. Just be heavy. And then sweeping the arms up. Inhale, exhale, fold forward, making it bigger. And final time, sweep it down, make it big like the sun. Brilliant. Now one hand, bring it onto the knee, just before the knee, like me, sitting right on the edge. Have a little jiggle and a move so you've got some space. Feet are wide. Hand is not closed. It's like you're feeding the horses some polos. Let's inhale. Take this top arm up and over. So the gaze, you experiment with this. It can be down, forward, up, just to see what's happening with your neck today. Can you feel the carpet under your feet? Can you feel the chair where you're sitting on the chair? Can you extend from your armpit to your elbow, elbow to your wrist, wrist to your fingers? Brilliant. Inhale into those side ribs, exhale, let go. Fantastic. Let's float onto the other side. I'm just going to put this stretch in here. Should be stretching there. Anyway, we'll come down here. Let's open up. This time you might want to just keep your eye on the hand that's floating in the sky. Check that hand that's out the front. Make sure it's not curling up or in a fist. Like we're feeding the horses. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Extending armpit to elbow, elbow to wrist, wrist to finger. Brilliant. And slowly release. And just to really get us going now, pulling the belly button into the spine, roll the shoulders again. Sitting a little further back so you're in the centre, take your weight back and feel the core activating. Pelvic floor is on. And we're gonna, if you like, take the feet out the front and cross them. Okay? Stay there, or another option is, can you lift them up a bit? Core is on, lean back a bit, let's inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Cross the feet, other side, stay there if you want to. If you like, lift up, core on, inhale. Exhale. And again, core on, strong. And release. And if you like and when you're ready, Just sitting back so you're feeling a little bit more comfortable. Roll the shoulders, wiggle the toes. And if you like, and when you're ready, taking the gaze down and just taking a few easy breaths. Eyes can be open, closed, or somewhere in the middle. Just noticing cool air entering your nostrils. When you're ready to exhale, exhale. And again, cool air entering the nostrils, exhale through the nose or the mouth. Final time. Bringing the hands to the heart. And well done. 10 minutes of yoga done. I'll see you next time. Thank you.